Loratadine, also called Claritin, is an antihistamine that veterinarians may recommend to help relieve allergy symptoms in dogs. It may help reduce itching, hives, swelling, redness, insect bites, and other mild allergic skin reactions. Loratadine isn't safe for every dog. Dogs with liver disease, kidney disease, dry eye, or pregnancy need veterinary guidance first. A common veterinary guideline is about 0.25 milligrams per pound or 0.5 milligrams per kilogram once daily. It comes in 5 and 10 milligram tablets and can be given with or without food. Always provide fresh drinking water. Possible side effects include vomiting, diarrhea, dry mouth, drowsiness, nervousness, and a fast heartbeat. Use only plain Loratadine. Never use Claritin D or products containing xylitol, and never exceed the recommended dose. Loratadine may help manage allergies in dogs, but always consult your veterinarian before giving your dog any medication. For a dosage calculator, detailed benefits, potential side effects, which dogs should avoid this medicine, and safe serving ideas, visit our website through the link in the description.